Hey guys, Becki-licious here, and today I'm feeling spicy. So we are going to make a taco grilled cheese sandwich with some street corn pasta on the side. So let's get started. So like I said, we are going to make a taco grilled cheese sandwich today, but we're going to start with the street corn pasta salad first because it's going to have to sit in the fridge for a little bit and get cool. So we're going to start out with our sauce, which is going to be a little bit of Greek yogurt. Or you could use sour cream, whichever you got on hand. It doesn't really matter. And we got a little bit of mayonnaise. And I'm just making a small portion of this. I didn't need to make a whole big old huge thing. So I'm having the recipe basically. Okay. Then we're going to throw in some lime juice, just a little bit. And then we've got our chili powder because we've got to have our spice. A little bit of spice. All right, so we're just going to get this all whisked up, okay? All right, so we got the sauce for the street corn pasta salad. So we're going to add in a little bit of rotini noodles, and these I cooked them earlier, and they've been chilled. And then we've got, of course, some corn, because you can't have a street corn pasta salad without the corn. Then we're going to add in some red onion. Doesn't that look pretty? And we're going to just sprinkle a little bit of cilantro in there. Once again, we need that color. And then no salad is complete without your cheese. And this is a little bit of cotija cheese. Oh, all right. So this is just going to get all mixed up because we want all of that yumminess in here. All right, we've got this all mixed up. Now this has got to go in the fridge. All right. All right, while this chills in the fridge, we're going to get started on that taco grilled cheese sandwich. Let's get this taco grilled cheese going. All right, we've already got our bread, so we're going to throw these down. And we are going to do a little bit of American and, of course, a little bit of pepper jack because we want that spice. And then here is the yummy taco meat, which is, you can see the beautiful colors in all of this. There's some jalapeno in there. There is some diced tomatoes. Oh, there's some olives. Oh my God. This is going to be so good. It's a little on the messy side, but you know what? If it doesn't get all over the place, it does not belong in your face. So there you go. All right, I think that looks like it's just enough. All right, so we're going to let this cook a little bit before we put them together and start grilling it. But while we're doing that, don't forget to like and subscribe. Share with your friends, and click on that link me for some other fun stuff, all right? Let's get this taco grilled cheese flipped over because, look at that. This is so close to coming off the grill. Oh, I cannot wait. This is going to be good. Lunch is ready. This taco grilled cheese looks absolutely amazing. Doesn't that look phenomenal? Oh, yum. And then we've got this street corn pasta we're going to throw on the plate with it. Oh my goodness gracious. Yeah. And we're going to do a little bit of the cheese on top and add a little tiny bit more of that cilantro for a little bit of extra. Looky that. Doesn't that look to die for? Gotta love it. See? Another fun adventure in the kitchen. I hope you guys had fun because I know I did. I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye.